to the taste of you. Your lips, no, there's nothing sweeter around. One kiss will lay me out on the ground. They'll say that I'll never go back for you, I'm bad for you. Say nothing more. I'll fight until I'm black and blue. I'm just a man with nothing left to lose. You make me feel like I am bulletproof. I'd run through fire just to get to you. Till I'm black and blue. Till I'm black and blue. Till I'm black and blue.
Seven Islands Harley Davidson. Congratulations. 10 years of service to Bombay. I still remember December 2010, walking into your showroom in Bandra, seeing that heritage softail, and 2 weeks or just about 2 weeks later, I was riding my very own first Harley. And you even gave me the privilege of being hog director for a year. Of being hog director, of working with the chapter. 10 years, congratulations. You guys are rock stars, and I am proud to be a chapter member, and I'm proud of every chapter member.
Hi, I'm Anuj Gupta, a proud member of the Seven Islands Harley Davidson chapter. My heartiest congratulations to the SI guys for completion of the 10th anniversary. I have completed almost 130,000 kilometers, and that would have not been possible without the support and the service personnel. My heartiest congratulations again. God bless.
Congratulations, Seven Islands team, for completing successful 10 years in India. And I've had some great experiences riding with the hogs all over. And I'm actually lucky to be a part of the team. So God bless you for the future. Have a successful future too. God bless, Godspeed.
Hi guys, I'm Harish Makwana, a proud member of Seven Islands, Mumbai. Seven Islands, you rock. You guys are the best in India. I and my team Bombay Harriers have traveled everywhere in India, visited every showroom, every service centers. But Seven Islands is the best which we have found. You guys rock. Thank you. And wishing you a happier 10th anniversary. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Sapan Majadi. I have been riding with Seven Islands since 9 years. It has been a wonderful journey with Seven Islands. Service and sales teams have helped me like anything whenever I have needed, and they have stood next to me for whatever reason I have asked for. And it has been a wonderful journey all the way. And without you guys, the milestone of 1 lakh kilometer was not possible. Thank you again, and congratulations for the completion of your 1 decade, 10 years. Cheers guys.
Hello Seven Islands, this is Sherry Gill. 10 years, glorious years with Seven Islands. It's been a lovely experience. The chapter managers, the technicians have all been tremendous people and very cooperative. Cheers to you all once again. Keep it rolling.
Hi guys, I'm Great Pandey. Very happy 10th anniversary to Seven Island chapter. 2011 से मैं सेवन आइलैंड से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ और मैंने जो भी राइड किया है, मुझे बेस्ट पॉसिबल सपोर्ट सेवन आइलैंड में किया है. जब भी मैं 2014 लेह लद्दाख राइड, 2016 पेरिफेरल राइड, मुझे बैकअप, मुझे टोटल स्पेयर पार्ट्स और इसके अंदर जो भी सपोर्ट मिल सकता था बेस्ट पॉसिबल सेवन आइलैंड में किया है. न कि मुझे, बाकी जो अदर राइडर्स अदर चैप्टर से भी आते हैं, तो ब्रेकडाउन हुआ या कुछ भी, तो सेवन आइलैंड की टीम मुझे हमेशा मदद करने में तैयार रहती है और उन्होंने कभी भी टाइमिंग नहीं देखा है कि वर्कशॉप का टाइमिंग क्या है. Wish you all the best for the future.